Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn what a library is, how to create our own library and host it so that clients can also use our library. So, what is a library? A library is a reusable collection of code. It can contain functions, classes, modules, etc. Library helps developers avoid rewriting the common logic. If a developer wants to use some function, then she can use the library directly without rewriting the function again and again. Some examples of library are NumPy for numerical operations, Flask for web development, etc. How do we create library? First, we structure our code into modules, and each module should contain init.py file. This file is necessary for each module, and one should create this file so that the library can work properly. Optionally, we can include a setup.py or pyproject.uml file. These files contain metadata related to the library, for example, name of the library, version of the library, and so on. Then the library is packaged using tools like setup tools. There are many ways to host the library, two of which are listed here. First, by GitHub. On GitHub, we can structure our library, we can add versioning to it, and it can be then installed via pip command. The user will simply write pip install and our library name. Second method is deploying it on a cloud platform, for example, Google Cloud Platform. Here, first we build APIs for our library, and then we simply deploy our library to the Google Cloud Platform or any other cloud platform. The user then access the library functionalities using the APIs. On the screen, we can see the basic structure of the library. So our library is divided into packages and modules. So here we can see this library is divided into natural language processing and image processing. So these are called packages. These packages are further divided into modules. For example, here natural language processing is further divided into text processor.py module and tokenizer.py module. Similarly, image processing package is divided into image transform module and image filter module. Now we will see how clients can use the library. First, when we upload it on GitHub, the client can use the library via pip install and the location of the directory on GitHub. Second, if we are deploying the library on cloud platform, the client can access the library via calling endpoints through HTTP requests.